In this video, I'll detail how to disable auto launch on Apple Watch Series 9. The essence of the auto launch on your Apple Watch Series 9 is to automatically pick up audio player from your Apple device or Mac whenever the two devices are closed and then start playing it on your Apple Watch. So if you enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to disable auto launch on your Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is press the crown button to exit the clock page and go to the app menu. While on the app menu, locate the settings and click on that. Then on selecting settings, scroll down and then click on general. Once you selected general, I want to scroll down as well. Then locate auto launch, click on that. And once you selected auto launch, you see when playing audio, auto launch audio apps. If this is enabled, your Apple Watch will automatically pick up any audio player on your iPhone or Mac or connected devices and start playing them or showing them on your iPhone screen. Now, make sure this is enabled. To enable it, and make sure this is disabled to disable. And make sure this is disabled to disable it. So that's how you can easily enable auto launch on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.